I has purchased the product today. It is working very silent and cooling also good. Ice cube only 60 meters amazing. I will update the electricity consumption. Before I assured the performance of it is very good. It is also working inverter only have required only 90W to 230W as stated at user guide. PHX to Amazon for latest price. This is amazing product made by LG for small living family and more power saving and incredible design. Looking glorious. And timely deliver by Amazon. But behavior of delivery person is very bad. At the end everything is fine. Like this product. This is gift from me to my sister. I like this product. Sound is very less on, cooling is so fast. Everything is good. But the stand for onions and potato is not fixed, it will come separately. When you open the door the total body of refrigerator will shake. I contacted LG customer service, also good service, responded in 2 hours. They tried their best. But still slight shake will be there because of that plastic onion stand. Perfect for family size up to 3. Amazing deal at 12,400 with extra 1,000 Amazon cashback. It is working fine. I am writing review after using 6 months. Thank you Amazon and LG. Very good quality. Value for money. Today I received this one. Amazing product, good quality. Nice design. Delivery within time. But vegetable storage box need to bigger size. Finally happy with LG product. Value for money. It is less noise sound and in running mission wear side touch beep sound is very good technology. This refrigerator coming from head but no scratches on refrigerator, good safety to me. Fast cooling all and all trays available. Thank you Amazon, call me in 994 crore 94 lakh 15,640. Nice. Product is good. Good storage, good energy saving. Awesome refrigerator and delivered on time and I am very happy. Thanks to Amazon. Nice product, working good. Nice product. Very good. Nice color. Sometime getting more sound. I like LG refrigerator. Interior design super. Very nice refrigerator, love you. No sound, silent operation, delivery boy very funny, 5-star. Must buy. I am using from last 5 months till now, no issue. Very good product. I recommend go for it. I am using this product from last month. I am truly happy with this phrase. It's saying life's good, but believe me, it's true. Very nice product within this range. Good product. Browse. Good quality maintained by Samsung in this model. No coil mess behind the body, easy to clean. Always good looking. Separate storage for onion, potatoes is a good idea. Cons. Power cord is very short. It's too good, even my mom liked it very much. Very less electric consumption. I purchased it at 11,000 on Amazon shopping days. This is some product and LG is believable brand, nice product. Really, it's a good product. Design is premium. Shelves are newly designed. And LG branding worth for money. This product is working very well and not any issue with teak, feels perfect. I got this refrigerator as same as description. Thanks Amazon for great deal. Go for it, really good one for small family. Nice design and color. Click link in description for more reviews.